Hello students, welcome to Royson Creations YouTube channel. In today's class, let us analyze the new MCQ model question paper 1 of science for year July 2021. So before starting, we should know the pattern of this year. So in this year, we have multiple choice question based. So in this first paper, we have 3 subjects, maths, science and social science. So each subject carry 40 marks. So and having 3 hours. So here we have instruction. So we should follow the instruction because this year they have given OMR sheet. So in this OMR sheet, how to fill the answer, everything they have given the instruction. So read properly and answer the questions. So 4 choices are given for each of the questions are incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ball pen point. So here, if you know the correct answer, then only you can mark in the OMR sheet, and for one question you having only 1 mark. If you are marking twice, it is invalid. They are not taking to the count. Question number 41. A device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is ammeter, rheostat, galvanometer, voltmeter. So we have 4 options. So ammeter and galvanometer is using in the to measure the current. Voltmeter is using to measure the potential difference, and rheostat only a device. It is used to change the resistance. So the correct answer option B, rheostat. Question number 42. In Fleming's left hand rule, left hand middle finger indicates the direction of. So they are asking middle finger will show what? So magnetic field, electric current induced in conductor, electric current and movement of the conductor. So we have 4 options. So if you know the left hand rule, see left hand rule, if you are keeping 3 fingers, that is middle finger, index finger and thumb finger perpendicular each other, this middle finger will show electric current, thumb finger will show movement of the conductor and the index finger will show magnetic field. So if you know this rule, easily you can write option C, electric current will show the middle finger. That means the direction, the middle finger will show indicates the direction of the electric current. So very important, left hand rule or right hand rule. So don't forget the question. Question number 43. A doctor prescribes a corrective lens of power minus 0.5D to a person. The focal length of the lens and type. They are asking what is the focal length and along with that which type of lens they are going to use. So we have 4 options. Minus 2M and concave lens, plus 2M and concave lens, plus 2M and convex lens, minus 2M and convex lens. So the correct answer is option A, minus 2M and concave lens. They are using concave lens. Question number 44. The nature and the size of the image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus f1 and optical center O of a concave lens. So they have given 4 options. We know that in the light chapter, we have to learn the ray diagram and we should know the image and nature of the size and nature of the image. So when the object is kept in the optical center or in between the focal length and center, and if the object is kept beyond f, so we have some nature and size of the image. So in this particular question they have asked the object is between focus and optical center. Optical center ಮತ್ತೆ focus ನಡುವೆ ಇದೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, in between principal axis and optical center. So the image is virtual, erect and enlarged. So which type of image you are going to get? We are getting virtual image, erect image. It is not a inverted or it is not a real image. It is a virtual image, erect and enlarged. So the option A, virtual, erect and enlarged is the correct answer. Question number 45. The potential difference between the terminals of electric heater is a 60 volt. When it draws a current of 4 amps from the source, the resistance of electric heater coil is 15 ohm, 240 ohm, 24 ohm, 64 ohm. So here we should know the Ohm's law. You know the Ohm's law. So we have a formula for the Ohm's law also. V is equals to IR. So in the given question, they have given voltage, how much potential difference is there, volt also they have given, that is 60 volt, and current, how much current is flowing in that also they have given, that is 4 amps. So by using the formula V is equals to IR, R is equals to V by R, so 60 by 4, 4 ones are 4 15s. So the answer is 15. So option A, 15 ohm is the correct answer. Question number 46. The diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is. So what they are calling the diameter of the circular outline of the spherical lens is aperture. So it is not a center of curvature, or it is not a principal axis or a optical center. It is the aperture. So the answer is option C, aperture. Question number 47. The inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because, why they are painted in black? So we have 4 options: reflects light, absorbs more heat, prevents from rusting, converges solar radiation. So the correct answer, why they are painting black color in the solar cooker inside the wall? Because it absorbs more heat. It absorbs more heat, so they have painted with a black color. So the answer is option B, absorb more heat. Question number 48. The function of electric generator is. What is the function of electric generator? So generally, direct answer, it is very easy, need not to read the option. The function of electric generator is converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So the option D is correct answer, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Question number 49. The resistance of a conductor does not depends on. So we know that resistance depends on length of the conductor, area of cross section, and nature of the material. So here the question is, it does not depends on. So read the option. We have 4 options: length of conductor, area of cross section, magnetic nature, nature of the material. So the option C, magnetic nature. It does not depends on magnetic nature, but the remaining length of the conductor, area of cross section, and nature of the material. See, all these points, resistance of a conductor, it depends on these points, except option C, magnetic nature. So the answer is magnetic nature. Question number 50. DC generator works on the principle of. So the DC generator, it works on what? ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So we know that option A, electromagnetic induction, magnetic effect of electric current, heating effect of a electric current, chemical effect of a electric current. So the answer is EMI, electromagnetic induction. So the option A, EMI is the correct answer. Question number 51. Watt is an SI unit of 100% electric power. So need not to read the option, directly we can go through with electric power. Option D, electric power is the correct answer. So question number 52. Good conductor of electricity among these materials. So they have given the material KLMN, and along with that they have given resistivity of the each material also they have given. So by seeing that, we should find out which is the good conductor of electricity. So here see the resistivity: 6.84, 1.62, 5.620, 2.63. So which is having less resistivity? L. So the material having less resistivity, it conduct more current. So that means it is a good conductor of electricity. So material which have less resistivity, which conduct electricity, that is a good conductor of electricity. So the option B is L, So L is the correct answer. So option B is the answer. Question number 53. One of the properties of biogas. What is the properties of biogas? They have given the 4 options. Its heating capacity is high, leaves residue like ash, it burns with smoke, its heating capacity is low. So in this, the one of the property of biogas is its heating capacity is very high. So the answer is option A. Question number 54. Object distance and image distance of a lens are minus 60 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter respectively. Then the magnification of the lens will be. So they have given the magnification of the lens. So we know the formula. M, magnification of a lens, M is equals to U by V. So if you are taking these things, first we should find out the distance. Then by knowing the distance, easily we can find out by using the magnification formula. M is equals to U by V. We will get the answer option C plus 0.33. So the answer is option C. Question number 55. The process used to convert metal carbonate ores into their oxides is. The what process we call to convert from metal carbonate into oxides? Roasting, reduction, electrolysis and calcination. So the answer is option D. Calcination is the correct answer, because what is calcination means? The process is used to convert metal carbonate ores into their oxides. We called as a calcination. So the option D, calcination is the correct answer. Question number 56. The correct group of saturated hydrocarbons. So here we have 4 options. So saturated hydrocarbons means the compound which having single bond. That means all the alkane groups belongs to saturated hydrocarbons. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So here we have 4 options. See the options properly. So first option CH4, C2H4, C3H4. Here only the carbon atom is increasing, hydrogen atom is same. So it is not belongs to saturated. The second option is C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. So option B, it belongs to alkane group. So that means it belongs to saturated hydro groups. See the option C, C2H2, C2H6, CH4. That is also not a saturated hydrocarbon. Option D, C2H2. Option C, C3H6. Option 4, C4H6. That is also not belongs to saturated hydrocarbons. The option B, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10 is belongs to saturated hydrocarbon. So answer is option B, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. Question number 57. The atomic number of an element X is 11 and the atomic number of Y is 17. Then the type of bond formed between these two elements: hydrogen bond, covalent bond, ionic bond and metallic bond. See here, the element X is 11, atomic number Y, the another element is 17. So which type of bond will form? So by seeing the atomic number 11 is nothing but sodium, 17 is chlorine. So here what happens? Here there is a transfer of electron. Here there is no sharing of electron or any other bond. So here there is a transfer of electron. That means sodium will give 1 electron to the chlorine. So here there is a transfer of electron. So it belongs to ionic bond. There is a formation of ionic bond. Then it forms sodium chloride. These two elements together it forms sodium chloride. So it is ionic bond. Option C, ionic bond is the correct answer. Question number 58. As the pH value of a solution decreases, when the pH value decreases, what happens? Number of OH ion increases, number of H plus ion increases, number of H plus ion decreases, equal number of OH and H plus ion. So the correct answer, when the pH value decreases, the H plus ions increases. So the option B, H plus ion increases. Question number 59. The functional group present in the carbon compound. So here we have a functional group. So in this, which functional group is present in the compound, we have to find out. Aldehyde, alcohol, ketone, carboxylic acid. So here you see the structure of this element, CH3, CH2, COOH. COOH means carboxylic acid. So the option D, carboxylic acid function group is present in the given compound. 60th question. The atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period. Which period? It belongs to which period? 4, 8, 2, 3. So how to find out it belongs to which period or which group? So the easy way, they are asking the element 20. That means we should write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So here the last is 4s2. So the coefficient will considered as a period and the power of the orbit we considered as a group. So here it belongs to second group, fourth period. So here they have asked period. So the option A, 4 is the correct answer. Question number 61. The number of single bonds present in the structure of a cyclohexane molecule. So cyclohexane molecule, how to find out? So first we should write the structure of the cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means 6 carbon atom will be there. So write it. And they are asking cyclo, that means each carbon compound having 4 molecules. So write it C, 6 carbon, hydrogen 12 carbon. So totally 18 carbon. So totally we having 18 single bonds. So carbon 6 bonds, hydrogen 12 bonds. So totally 18 single bonds. The option is B, 18 is the correct answer. Question number 62. In modern periodic table, as we move down a group, the atomic size of the element decreases, does not change, increases, first increases and then decreases. So in the periodic table, when we are moving downwards, down the group, always the size of the atomic elements is increases. Along the period, the size decreases, but down the group, size increases. So the option C, increases, is the correct answer. Observe the question number 63. Observe the following chemical reactions. Fe plus CuSO4 gives to FeSO4 plus Cu. Zn plus FeSO4 gives to ZnSO4 plus Fe. The decreasing order of reactivity of a metal in the above reaction. So you see the metals there. We having 3 metals, zinc, iron and copper. Here by seeing this, we have to write the reactivity metals in the above reaction in the decreasing order. So zinc less than iron less than copper, because copper is a highly reactive compare with the iron, compare with the zinc. So they are asking decreasing order, no? So first we should option A, Zn less than Fe less than copper. So option A is the answer. Question number 64. The gas liberated when dilute sulfuric acid react with the zinc granules. So when the zinc granule is reacted with sulfuric acid, it gives hydrogen. So option D, hydrogen, is the correct answer. Question number 65. Sodium hydroxide react with HCl, gives sodium chloride plus water. This chemical reaction is an example of this is which type of reaction? Neutralization reaction, substitution reaction, addition reaction, combustion reaction. So in this, option A, neutralization reaction, is the correct answer. Option A is the correct. Question number 66. The molecular formula of benzene. Directly you can write C6H6. So option C, C6H6 is the answer. Question number 67. The process that helps in the absorption of upward movement of water and minerals dissolved in it from roots to the leaves in the plants. So what we call for this process, the absorption of upward movement of the water, minerals, it is dissolved in the roots to the leaves, that we called as a transpiration. So option B, transpiration is the answer. Question number 68. The correct pathway of oxygenated blood coming from lungs to the heart in the human body. So the correct pathway. See, that means first it comes to the oxygen will comes to the lungs. So from lungs to the human body, the correct pathway is pulmonary veins to the left atrium, then it comes to left ventricle. So the option D, pulmonary veins to the lens, next left atrium, next left ventricle. So option D is the answer. Question number 68. The hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the human body, that is testosterone, adrenaline, thyroxine and insulin. So the correct answer is thyroxine, because it regulates all the activity of our human body. So the option C, thyroxine hormone is the correct answer. Question number 70. The mismatched pair among the following. Here they have mismatched the things. So we have to find out which is mismatched. Adrenaline, pituitary gland, testosterone, testes, insulin, pancreas, thyroxine, thyroid gland. So thyroid gland will secrete thyroxine, pancreas will secrete insulin, testes will increase testosterone. So these three are correct. But option A, adrenaline from pituitary gland, that is wrong. So the option A is the correct answer. Question number 71. The part of human brain responsible for precision of voluntary action and maintaining the posture and balance of the body. So A, pons, cerebrum, C, hypothalamus, D, cerebellum. So the human body, the human brain responsible for the precision of a voluntary action is cerebellum, because it controls the everything, the posture and balancing the body. So the option D, cerebellum is the correct answer. Question number 72. A pathogen that causes gonorrhea and syphilis transmitted through sexual contact. Option A, protozoa, option B, bacteria, option C, virus and option D, fungus. So these gonorrhea and syphilis will transmit through the bacteria. So the option B, bacteria is the answer. Question number 73. The correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in flower. So what is the correct sequence? First, when the sexual reproduction will take place in the flower, the first process is pollination. The next one is after pollination, fertilization will start. In the after fertilization, embryo, then seeds. So the option option A, pollination, fertilization, embryo, seeds. That is the correct sequence in the sexual reproduction in flower. Question number 74. The part of the plant seeds that grows and develops into root on a germination, which is the part of the plant will start to grow, that is germination. Cotyledon, endosperm, radicle and seed coat. So option A, option B, option D. Further it will start. The part of the plant started growing or germination will start from the radicle. So the option C is the correct answer, radicle. Question number 75. If a round green seeded pea plant RR small y is crossed with wrinkled yellow seed pea plant, the seeds produced in the F1 generation are round and green, wrinkled and yellow, wrinkled and green, round and yellow. In the first generation, F1 generation, we will get round and yellow plant. So the option D, round and yellow is correct answer. Question number 76. The experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on to its progeny because they are inherited traits, acquired traits, dominant traits, and recessive traits. So here the option B, acquired traits, because that we are acquired in our experiences, so that we cannot pass from one generation to another generation. So the option B, acquired traits, is the correct answer. Question number 77. Analogous organ have same structure and same function, same structure and different function, different structure and same function, different structure and different function. So analogous organ having always different structure. They are different but they have same function. So option C, correct answer. Question number 78. Ozone layer is formed from oxygen at the higher levels of the atmosphere by the action of X-rays, ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiation, radio waves. So in the atmosphere, ultraviolet radiation. So by using this ultraviolet radiation, ozone layer is formed. So option B, ultraviolet radiation, is the correct answer. Question number 79. A product that can no more be used for the original purpose but use it for some other useful purpose is recycle, reduce, reuse, repurpose. So the answer, option D, repurpose, is the correct answer. Question number 80. The watershed management increases production and income of watershed community. Option B, increases droughts and floods. Option C, decreases the biodiversity of downstream reservoirs. Option D, increases deforestation. Always watershed management will increases production and along with income of a watershed community. So the option A, increases production and income of watershed community, is the correct answer. So the next question paper will upload it soon, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.